We've got our starfish. So these are the common starfish, Asterias rubens, and you can find these on any shore around the UK at low tide. And hopefully you can see its tube feet. So it's little suckers that come out and help it stick to the rock.
The air then may move over the peak of the mountain, okay, and the clouds could be on this side. You may still get clouds forming, but they are going to be much drier, and there's going to be less rain forming on this side of the mountain.
You need to imagine that you are an animal or an invertebrate that would like to live in a bush or a tree. Now, when you're looking at it, I want you to think about how has this environment suddenly changed, and how would you need to be adapted or changed so that you could survive up at this level? Please, can you put your answers in the comments box?
We then move closer towards the mountain, so you might be able to see a big glacial valley again there, and we've got these big mountain ridges, with Snowdon being the highest mountain in England and Wales at 1,085 metres.
And then I'm going to fill it with water, okay? My water's going to go right to the top so that it's consistent, reliable, the same every time, and then I'll be timing it.
So I kept drilling the auger into the ground and it pretty much totally disappeared up into the handle. When I pulled the auger out, I found some layers which I placed in this jar. How many different layers can you see? Tell us your answer in the comments box. I'll give you 10 seconds. For this first layer, we can see that this soil is really, really dark. It's almost grey or black. Finally, let's rub on this last layer. We can instantly see that this layer is very, very different in colour. It is a bit more of an orange or a yellow. And there you have it. Hopefully you now have in front of you a brilliant scientific drawing of a soil profile.
So we can just see up here, the maximum temperature was 18.5 degrees, and that was taken at 2:24 p.m. yesterday. So we're imagining this is now a storm, okay? There's a big heavy rain event, and this water is pouring all onto our arable land. Doing a scientific drawing, you just want to do the outline of the organism and not think about doing any shading or colouring in.
And actually, if you were to pick it up, it's a little bit like jelly. And the reason why it's called a bootlace worm is it's just like jelly and string. It's really quite gross, and it covers your hands in a load of jelly.